Hey Dick, hey Chad, Buddy Yates from downtown Palm Springs. I got a gadget recently called SmartDry. It's a device that goes into your gas or electric clothes dryer, and it tells you with an app on your phone when your clothes are dry. The humidity sensor that goes inside the dryer has a couple of small magnets on it and a sealed battery compartment, and it fits inside the dryer. The only problem I've had with it is lint wants to collect behind it, but other than that, it hasn't budged at all. So you plug the little transmitter in somewhere near the dryer, and it's USB powered, so I have it plugged into a USB adapter. And boy, it keeps sending notifications telling you when the clothes are dry. You download the SmartDry app and put it on your phone. Fill your dryer as usual. It'll tell you when the clothes are dry. It'll tell you when the clothes are very dry. If you allow it to send notifications, it'll alert you when your clothes are dry. Yep, they're dry. I paid $50 back in November, and last time I checked, it's still $50. I hope that all the GizWiz viewers, Dick and Chad, all stay healthy. I intend to. Take care, guys.